Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School online education. Right now we all are in a class of Standard 1 and the lecture of mathematics is going to be started. My dear tiny students, here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. The thought is, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently. If you want to become successful in your life, you have to make hard work consistently. You should not stop yourself by learning at any of the point. A very large best of luck to all my dear students. Welcome back again. Now tell me, how are you all? You all are fine? Enjoying online studies? Very good. Tell me, how many tables you have learned? As you all know that we have completed tables till 8. So how many tables you learn by heart? If you have not learned all the tables, then start learning it, because it is very helpful in the studies of second standard, because there comes the sums of multiplication where you need to learn tables. So this is the base and you must try to learn tables till 10. Afterwards we will start tables of 9 and 10, but right now we have completed till 8. So you all have to try your level best to learn it. Now get ready with essential stationery, because we are going to start our learning session where you have to write. First of all, write today's date and day in this corner. Write current date and day. Done? Write the name of the chapter number 7, Subtracting Greater Numbers. SUBTRACTING, subtracting, GREATER, greater, NUMBERS, numbers. Done everyone? Very good. Before we start, let me inform you with learning objectives for the whole chapter 7. Counting back to subtract. Addition facts. Subtracting one digit from two-digit number. Subtraction using number strip. Double-digit subtraction. Problem solving. My dear students, we have completed all the topics from given objectives. I hope you all make practice regarding the same, as well as you all have completed your fair book till chapter number 7. If not, then try to complete it as soon as possible with the help of given PDF. Learning objectives for today. Today we are going to make chapter checkup, means we are going to make revision for the whole chapter. In this series, in previous lecture, we have completed 3 topics. So before we start new, first of all, we are going to make revision for all that 3 topics. Afterwards, we continue our journey to learn new topics. Chapter checkup, which include counting back, addition facts, 1-digit number, 2-digit number, number strip, number facts, correct place, doubles, addition facts. Everyone write down in your book, subtract. First sum is 55 minus 32. 55 minus 32. Everyone write down in your notebook. Make sure that you have to write the numbers on its proper place. Start solving from ones column. 5 minus 2, we get 3. 5 minus 3, we get 2. Next sum is 76 minus 20, 20. Start solving the sum from ones place. 6 minus 0, we get 6. 7 minus 2, we get 5. 5, 55 minus 2, 5, 25. 5 minus 5, we get 0. 5 minus 2, we get 3. 55 minus 25, we get 30. 60 minus 30. 0 minus 0, we get 0. 6 minus 3, we get number 3. 60 minus 30, we get 30. Number 2, count back to subtract. First one is 20 minus 2. Keep number 20 in your mind. Make 2 steps backward counting. You reach at number 18. 20 minus 2, we get 18. 49 minus 3. In this sum, number 49 is bigger. By making 3 steps backward counting, we reach at number 46. 49 minus 3, we get 46. Number 3, use an addition facts to subtract. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. My dear students, this was a very quick revision of previous lecture. I hope each and every student has completed till now. Now get ready, you all have to write with me. One more thing, in next exercise you need ruler or scale. Yes, of course, we are going to start. Use the number strip to subtract. So you all are having the ruler. Very good. Look, my dear students, in these sums you have to draw the number strip or number line only with the help of scale. Okay. Write the heading. U as use, T as the, NUMBER number, STRIP strip, TO2, SUBTRACT subtract. Use the number strip to subtract. Everyone, write down the heading. Make sure that your handwritings must be very good, huh? Write the sum 3939 minus 5. 39 minus 5. Everyone, have you completed your writing part? Now tell me, what should I do? First of all, draw the line with the help of ruler or scale. Make sure that you have to draw the proper line, huh? Write the numbers on it. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Make sure that you have to leave some space between two numbers. Write the numbers properly, my dear. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now find number 39 on the given number strip. Here it is. Okay. Make 5 jumps on the left side of given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where we reach, my dear students? We reach at number 34. We have to copy the answer in the given box. 3, 4, 34. Everyone copy the answer in your notebook. First of all, write the sum. 39 minus 5 After that, draw the line. Then write the given numbers on that line. Do not forget to leave some space between two numbers. As our sum is 39 minus 5, so first of all find out number 39 on the given number strip. After that, make 5 jumps on the left side of given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You reach at number 34, and yes, that is the answer which we have to copy in the given box. So everyone, write down the sum with me as well as make proper jumps. How many jumps? 5. On which side? On the left side. Do not forget, as we are making subtraction, so we have to move on the left side of the given number. Okay? Very good. Write the next sum. 47 minus 8. 47 minus 8. Number 8 you have to write at one's place. Why I am repeating this again and again? So that you all can understand how to write the numbers. At which place you have to write the numbers. The sum is 47 minus 8. Now who remembers, as we are doing revision? Tell me. As this is the revision and this the exercise is use the number strip to solve the subtraction. Tell me, what should I do now? Who remembers among all of you that how to solve the sum? Do you think? Anyone has started? Very guys, very good. First of all, take a pencil and a scale in your hand and draw a line. Take the help of your ruler or scale and draw the line. Write respective numbers on it, which is 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Do not forget to leave some space between two numbers, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Completed everyone? Is everyone has completed the writing work? Now what should I do? Who remembers that? As we have just completed the solution of one sums right now. First of all, find out number 47 on the number strip. Look, here it is. Number 4747. Move 8 steps backward or on the left side of given number. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, where we reach? We reach at number 3939. Write down the answer in the given box. Number 3939. 47 minus 8. First of all, draw the line. Write given numbers on it. Find out number 47. After that, move 8 steps backward on the left side of given number. At the end, you reach at number 3939. 39 is the answer, so we have to copy it in the given box. Is everyone is writing with me now? You all are understand? As this is the revision, so it will be very easy for you now. You can solve all the given sums by your own. My dear students, this was the quick revision or chapter checkup of solve using number strip. This was the fourth topic. First, subtraction, then counting back to subtract, afterwards addition facts to subtract. Number 4 was use the number strip to make subtraction. Now the chapter is going to be the last topic, problem solving. Revision of problem solving is going to be started. Number 5. Put the correct sign and solve. Put the correct sign and solve. What does it say? Look, here we are having the sum. This place is empty. We don't know, either we have to make subtraction or addition. Do you remember? We already have completed this type of exercise. Who is remember? So it will be very easy for the students who remembers all the previous topics. Okay? Write the instruction again. Put the correct sign and solve. A. 13 girls. 1 3 13. GIRLS girls. 15 boys. 1 5 15. BOYS boys. You all have to write with me, that's why I am detecting very slowly. Number A, 13 girls, 15 boys. Write the sum 1 3 13. Make a box like this, put it empty. Write the number 1 5 15. Make a 2 box over here and write children in all. CHILDREN, children in all. Think in your mind. What should I do? I want to find out all the children together. How many girls and boys are together over there? What should I do? Should I make addition or subtraction? Who remembers that if we want to collect everything with together, What should we do? Yes, of course, we have to make addition. Put the sign of addition. Now, let's solve the sum. 3 plus 5. We get 8. When 1 plus 1, we get 2. Our answer is 2 at 28. We can say that 28 children in all. Is everyone completed the writing part? All the students? Very good. Now write the next sum. Number B. 37 pencils. pencils, pencils. 15 broken. 15 broken, broken. Write the sum. 37. Look, here we have the sum 37. Make an empty box like this. 15. Make a box like this and write left. What does it say? That there are 37 pencils. Out of that 15 broken. Broken means we have to cut out or remove and find out the remaining or leftover pencils. So now tell me, what should I do? Which operation should I follow here? Addition or subtraction? If I want to find out the leftover thing, then I have to make subtraction. Make a sign of subtraction. 37 minus 15. Done, everyone? Now let's move towards solution. 7 minus 5 we get 2. When 3 minus 1 we get 2. We can say that 22 pencils left. I hope each and every students are writing with me, as well as they have completed their writing part with me. My dear students, this was a very quick revision or chapter checkup of chapter number 7. Here we are going to end the whole chapter. From next lecture we are going to start chapter number 8, which is measurement. Okay. Now what is your duty? Your duty is to complete chapter number 7 in your maths fair book. I hope each and every students are writing their fair books nicely. Make sure, my dear, that your handwritings must be very good. Okay. At your home, everyone stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.